Hello and welcome back. Today we will look at the partition string method. So the partition method searches for a specified string and splits the string into a tuple containing three following elements. The first element contains the part before the specified string. The second element contains the specified string itself. And the third element contains the part after the specified string. Okay, so this is how the syntax looks like. And we have one required parameter, which is a separator, and it is the string that we search for. And the method searches for the separator in string and return the part before it, the separator itself, and the part after it. Now, if the separator is not found, it will return the string itself and two empty strings. Okay, so let's look at some examples. In the first example, we have specified the separator as 2, and now the method returns the part before it, which is welcome, the separator itself, or the string that we search for, and then the rest of the string. Now, in the case that the separator or the string that we are searching for is contained within the string multiple times, it will return the first occurrence of the string from the left side. So basically, it will split the string at the first occurrence found from the left side. So the method will return the orange, the separator itself, and then the rest of the string. Now in the case that the string or the substring or the separator is not contained within the string, and if you run this, the method should return the string, the original string, and then the two empty strings following the original string. Yeah, so this is the partition method and that's it. So thank you for watching.